Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, Slow RT here. Today we got something special going on. Let's see. I got a box right there, passenger seat. What is it? It is a Hellcat Airbox. So, installing it, I've seen videos that it's pretty hard because you got to take the whole bumper off. But luckily, I found this one guy that's gonna help me out. He's not too far from my house, so that's why I was like, all right, let's do it. And yeah, so we're gonna go to his house. He's gonna take off the front bumper, install the Hellcat Airbox, and let's see. It should be giving me around 50 horsepower, because you know that cold air gets sucked straight into the engine, so it's about 50 horsepower. Nah, I don't even think you get horsepower gains. It just helps cool down the temperature inside the engine. But my car does have the grill with the snorkel, and it's non-functional, and with this it's going to be functional. So let's take a peek at it. All right. So just for the fuck of it, I happened to get another Airbox cover. You can't really see it, but it says SRT right there, and there's the pieces. I'll show it to you better when we get to the guy's house. But anyways, there's the Airbox, and yeah, see you soon.
Oh, I see. This one has the
There's a little
inlet from there, yeah, because that one doesn't have it. That's the reason I have this one and the bottom one over here.
Yeah, because the snorkel isn't functional. It's just there for
that's
for
why.
looks.
Yeah, that's why you have this one. Yeah, this one has the clip in there. Okay.
How much was the hood?
I think it was like 1,200.
1,200.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Isn't it cheaper for the dark because it's smaller?
Nah, they actually just charge it because of the way it takes to make it.
Mm-hmm. Damn. Damn, the air filter's still hella clean.
Oh yeah. Well, that's just the top. Everything's at the bottom.
Oh yeah, you're right. So it could just be really dirty at the bottom.
Yeah. Well, how many miles you have in it?
1,300.
Yeah, that's still gonna be looking down.
I just got it last month.
Yeah, I see.
No, that's not too bad.
No, not bad at all.
That airbox doesn't even have a hole.
No, it's just a regular box.
Just solid. Okay.
You used to get some air from the bottom right here, but more air you get from the front over here, more cold air, better power.
Because I remember I had a 16 RT before this one, and I bought a Hellcat Airbox, but just because of it.
Yeah.
It didn't have the snorkel or nothing. I just put it in. Yeah, so I just forgot to bring the foam that goes
Yeah,
around
that's
it.
fine. The phone goes on the bottom. That's where it goes. Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you can't reuse that one, huh?
No, because if I take it off, you know, it's
It'll
just
just
gonna
rip.
break. Yeah, this one I'm not really sure. You see that? So it's just
Yeah.
that cold air.
Cool.
Yeah, and that
The
one
snorkel will be functional.
Just in case you want to settle later, you can take that off and just put it back to stock. Let's see, where's the other clip?
I think that'd be too much work taking the whole bumper off.
Oh yeah. Trying to get the other clip. Where's it at?
Oh, that's where it scoops up the air from the bottom.
Yeah. That's to cool the brakes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh,
It gets
oh
up
okay,
there,
because
and
it's
then
one
you
on
put
the
a
other
pump
side
on the
too.
other side, and that's for the brakes.
Oh. So where does this? Where does the air come from down there, down underneath the airbox?
There's like a slot down here, and basically it picks it up from here.
Oh, okay.
So you have this right here, but this is all covered up box. Even though there's a little opening over here to get some air for the air filter as well.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I thought I knew somewhat a lot about my charger, but I guess not. I didn't even know it had air vents right there.
Oh yeah.
That's the new airbox right there. Putting in the bolts.
Take this one off.
To work it in more easily.
Yeah. There we go. And the new clip goes in there, right?
Yeah.
Talk about this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is just to keep it in place. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Put this one down here. There we go. Much better. So now.
So then airbox first, tube second, and then
Yeah.
you put the headlight back on.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure that's gonna clip on top of this. There we go. Yeah, see, to do those hollow lights,
Mm-hmm.
this is where you gotta break it
Oh,
off
that's
from here.
okay.
A lot of companies that I've seen, they actually cut it open.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can do that, which is okay, but I don't like to basically they cut it up and they glue it back together.
Mm-hmm.
They use some kind of a special tool that actually melts plastic, so it really bonds it together. But I don't like that.
That's tricky.
You can actually you won't be able to see it because it covers the whole lens.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, I've seen other companies they just put it in an oven and they take off the clips and they open it. And then they just put that special silicone back on there. And a lot of them do real nice work that you cannot even
Tell that it was
they
been
open
open.
But once you cut it, you can actually tell.
Like once you take the bumper off and see the edges.
You'll see.
Yeah, one day I want to get the little lighting trends lights. I have a friend that just got the illuminated badge, the 392, and he put it underneath on the bottom grill.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. But I feel like it looks weird if you don't have the color changing lights, the headlights with
Oh
it.
yeah. Yeah, usually that's what makes it real nice.
Then I see people get the fog lights too.
Yeah. And they have to do the same process. Open it and then
Oh, same for the fog lights?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
If you gotta put the ring around it inside, yeah, you have to do the same process.
Yeah. Well, that's money I gotta save up.
Yeah, I mean, every time you do this kind of stuff, it's just money that you can spend. Sometimes the part might be cheap and labor's more expensive.
Yeah, it's usually the labor that's more expensive.
Labor, yeah. Like for the headers, I charge long tube headers and those catless mitts, $600 for instance.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Right here or at the shop you work
No, I
at?
do it at the shop. I usually
Shop.
tell them bring the car, leave it, and I'll take it to the shop and I'll do it over there.
Oh, okay.
On the left, it's 10 times easier than on the
How long does that take?
About 4 hours.
4 hours? Okay.
Here, it'll take me more than
Longer,
8
huh?
hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is my daily right now. Well, next year I'm planning on getting another car as a daily.
Yeah, that's
And then I think once I get the daily, another daily, I'll be able to work on this one more, like get the long tube headers
Yeah.
and leave it at the shop and not have to worry about oh, how am I gonna get to work? Or I could ask my uncle for a ride.
Just borrow the car for a day.
Yeah.
That's how it goes.
Ooh.
Perfect fit.
Okay, I see. And then the clip goes down there.
Yeah.
And up
One
there.
here, and that's it.
Just 2 clips.
There's only 2 clips, yeah.
Mhm.
Because I believe I took out like 4. They're over there. I just put them away. I don't want to mix them up. Yeah, I can. There's 3 of them. So I'm only going to reuse 2. There's 1. And here's the other one. There we go. Yeah, definitely just more cold air through there.
Ooh.
Yeah, nice.
Now the snorkel's functional.
Yeah, now it is functional. Let me put the top back. Let's leave with the rest.
Oh, it's used filter from my old RT, but I don't know if it needs to be re-oiled.
Let me check it.
Yeah.
Because I can, I have ordered it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's been sitting in the box for a month since I got rid of my old RT.
Okay.
I was just like, oh, let me just wait till I get a Hellcat Airbox and then install it.
See, this one, if I were to put this one,
Mm-hmm.
oh, this thing's clean, man. It's not bad. Let me just,
It's still good?
it's not bad at all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, this is just a little bit of dust,
Mhm.
but we'll be cleaning it out.
Because it was on my RT for maybe a year.
You drive it much?
Yeah, my RT was also my daily.
Okay.
Man, my RT had bad luck. It had like 5 hidden runs on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that sucks. Right there about your house?
Mm-hmm. It got hit twice at work. First time it was a hit and run. Second time, they were doing construction next door, and it was one of those pickup trucks, but the trucks that go pick up the shit from the porta potties.
Oh.
And I was parked close to the driveway, but not even too close to it. And the truck was backing up and somehow hit my car.
Yeah, they're big.
But it's okay. They gave me their information, and instead of fixing the car, I just got the money
Good money.
and saved it up for this one.
That's good. You
Yeah,
bought
that-
some brand new or has it a couple
Yeah,
more?
brand new. It only had 5 miles on it.
Yeah, that's the best way to go. Just buy new.
Mhm. I was like, I could have bought used and gotten one cheaper, but I was like, nah, I want it new.
No, you know, because at the end you're gonna see that you can spend the same money.
Mm-hmm.
Brand new or used, you know, they'll still get you with the interest, so it's not even worth it.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see this one.
Then it's the color I wanted with racing stripes.
Yeah, no, you're
Like,
I like the color green.
thanks, man. It's like, this is my dream car right here.
Yeah. You gonna lower it later?
Maybe, yeah.
If you do that, go with H&R Springs.
H&R?
Yeah,
They're better than the-
They'll drop it real nice. You get a nice stance.
Better than the iBock?
iBack is a little
iBack.
bit taller.
Oh, is it?
I noticed the difference, you know.
Mhm.
But H&R, you know, a lot of people like
Mhm.
H&R better than iBock. Even though both of them are real good,
Mhm.
but to my opinion, I like H&R better.
Can you install those?
Yeah.
How much do you charge for that?
For those,
Mhm.
$250.
$250? Oh, okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it to install it?
It's not bad, you know.
Mhm.
It's not hard. You know, it's just a lot of clips and a couple of bolts that you have to get to it from the back of the
Mhm.
fender. That's it, but it's not that hard. Good like 4.
4.
Yeah.
Because the main problem is just the front bumper, huh?
You just gotta take the front bumper. You gotta put that plastic piece on the
Mhm.
front. But oh no, it's not bad.
Ooh. See her right there?
Yep. Right onto.
A 392 engine on Magnum.
No. Oh, it's a black Magnum.
Is it black?
I think it's black. Yeah.
I don't know. He just recently did it. I don't think it's black. I think no, it's red.
It's red.
It's red.
Cause I saw a guy put in one of those in the black one. It was a Magnum. Yeah.
And then like even the dash is from the Challenger.
Oh yeah.
The steering wheel,
Oh,
it's
so
like
he had to change it here.
yeah. It's really cool.
There you go.
all done. Whew.
Functional. Yeah, you can even see from here.
The leftovers all done. Thank you, man. You want to
Sure.
shout out your Instagram?
Sure. Carlos_SRT10. That's where you can actually catch me and do all this modifications. So that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
man.
you so much.
All right.
I'll be definitely coming back here for anything new. Love the work. Go ahead. Oh, you can feel it.
Was your chicken light on by any chance?